Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all the type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238, and where you can get your assignments in your WhatsApp. So for this, you have to just say hi or on WhatsApp, and you can call also. Here is we are discussing the question number one. Question number one is Industrial Policy Resolution 1956 has been approved as a bond for industrial development for Indian economy. Comment on this statement. So this is the question number 1A, and we have solved this, and for this we have actually prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.